Okay, so today we're going to be doing negative exponents with pre-algebra. What's up, y'all?
Hey.
Great, like 5 people said hi. Do you guys, let's do a circle. And everyone waved, and everyone waved, and everyone waved. Woo! Yeah! All right, let's do this. Okay.
Math.
Yes, math. Okay. No, we're not talking about science. Okay, we're not talking about science. We're doing math. Okay. It's better. Don't tell Mr. Stapleton I said that. He'll come after me. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is we have negative exponents. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, mathematicians, we don't like negative exponents. Oh. Because reasons. Yeah, it doesn't, but we're just going to roll with it and be like, positivity, no negative, okay? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. This is real easy. All right, now this 4 to the negative 5th power, is there a negative exponent? And everyone said yes?
Yes.
Awesome. Now what I'm going to do, have I changed that value?
No.
No, I can put anything I want over 1, right?
Yeah.
Like, here's a question. Little Bree. Hush. How? Okay, sorry. Do you want to be on?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 13.
Okay, are you 13 over 1 years old?
Yeah.
Well, technically, yeah, but we would never say that. So I'm going to throw it over 1. Now, here's the thing. What I'm going to do is the 4 to the negative 5th is living on the top floor, but it's not happy up there. So what I'm going to do is it wants to go downstairs. It's not happy because that's a negative exponent. It's happy downstairs, and I put it over 1. And I'm done. That's it.
What? That was so fast.
Okay.
I'm so confused.
What?
All right, let me explain it again. If you have a negative exponent and it's upstairs in the fraction, move it to the different floor. Whatever floor it's on, if it's not happy, move it to a different floor. So let's put it this way, okay? All right. What's a social studies teacher that lives on the upstairs?
Mr. Cassidy.
Ooh, Mr. Cassidy. Right. Let's talk about Mr. Cassidy. All right. So Mr. Cassidy. Is it A-Y? Okay. Anyways.
Yeah.
All right. So Mr. Cassidy. Let's say, Daisy. Can I use you as an example?
Yes.
All right, Daisy. I am sending you back to Mr. Cassidy. Yes. Yes. We all love Mr. Cassidy, but you have to redo 7th grade.
Oh.
Is that what you want? And all these other yahoos are going to keep going with 8th grade. Do you want to move back?
Kind of.
Kind of. You have to redo everything. So however old you were going to graduate, you're going to be a year older. You're going to start your life a year later. And all of these other people are going to graduate ahead of you.
No.
No, you don't want to be upstairs. You want to be back downstairs with blessed Mr. Hawkins or Mr. Matt. So now she's downstairs and she's happy. Look how happy she is. That 5 is positive, yes?
Yes.
Let's do it again. Oh, look, 5 to the negative 7th power. It's almost like I wrote this before I started recording. I did. Okay, so I'm going to put this over 1. Is Daisy happy upstairs? No, I sent her back to 7th grade. Is she happy?
No.
Ooh, you know what'd be even better is if I sent her back to 6th grade. Oh, yeah, she's gonna be that person like driving to middle school, like, what's up? I got my license, let's do 8th grade, right? Like, no, she doesn't want to do that because we're not gonna give her a parking space, so she still has to ride the bus, right? Now, what would make her so happy is to go downstairs. Does this make sense?
Yeah. So is that all you do?
Yeah.
Is that the answer?
Yeah.
That's easy.
I know. Now here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna overthink it.
Probably.
Not me.
Thank you.
Yeah, not you. Okay, so you guys do 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, go. So someone raise your hand and guess what the answer is going to be.
Me.
Yeah, you.
1 fraction sign. 2 with a 6.
He's almost right, but if you notice, I didn't change the F or the S or the M or the 5 or the
-2.
-2.
I forgot to
But
say negative.
but this is wrong. Why is this?
Fraction.
It's got fractions.
Whatever it is.
Gracie, save him.
You need parentheses around.
Parentheses.
I need parentheses. You have 30 seconds to do 7 and 8. Go. All right. So Caden, what's 8?
8, 1, and then fraction sign
Over.
over W to the 12th power.
And you're perfect. Lil Mac, what's the answer to? Oh wait. I'm sorry. Number 7, Lil Mac.
1 over -4 in parentheses to the 3rd power.
Remembered his parentheses. All right, now the next 4 are asking you to evaluate. Now, evaluate means something very basic. Use your calculator to find the answer. So, in our calculator, we're going to walk through how to find number 9. I'm going to type in a parentheses, a -5, not minus, negative. It's next to 0. Parentheses, caret, -5.
I got a decimal.
Oh yeah, you're going to get a decimal.
-0.22.
Do you want us to write the
Why? Why?
-0.
name?
Okay, what is this as a decimal?
0.
Lil Bree?
Negative 0.00032.
Okay, could we convert that into a fraction?
Yeah, I don't think that.
Well, let's see if our calculator will let us, because this is a really small number. So whenever we type this in, if I press the second button
No.
and then PRB, will it let us do it?
No. I don't
No?
think so.
Well, try it.
I did.
Did it just give you the decimal again?
Yeah.
All right. So these calculators are good for a lot of things, a lot of the basic stuff, but they're not very good at like really heavy calculations. So this is about as good as we're going to get. So we're going to leave it as a decimal. Can you guys do the other 3? 3 to the -2nd, 8 to the -3rd, and -9 to the -4th? Cool, and go. Yeah, I see you, sir. Yeah, you want peace sign again? Yeah. What's up? Okay, so that just told me who I'm calling on. Didn't see that coming. All right, so number 10, Caden, as a fraction. It is 1/9, yay! All right, and then number 11, can someone give me number 11 as a fraction? Daisy?
1/512.
I totes agree. And number 12 is going to be a ratchet decimal. Most likely, it should be, I mean, it's going to be like 1/9 to the 4th, which is like 81 squared. So that's going to be like 1/6561, maybe? I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. What is that as a decimal? Real small. Yeah.
0.002.
002. That sounds right. I mean, it sounds right. I don't have a calculator in front of me. But yeah, it's a really tiny number. Yes? Yeah.
I'm kind of like confused on how you guys got the fractions.
Oh, so
And then I got that for that.
8 to the -3rd, second PRB. So in order to get it as a fraction, I'm really actually glad that you asked me that. So there we go. So this is going to turn it into a fraction. And when I hit enter, I get 1/512. Good question. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but then for this one I got this number. Was I supposed to round
Well,
it?
let's find out. So
That means there's an error. It's 2 double
-9 to the -4th.
Oh, I didn't do.
Oh, no, that number is wrong. It's not 0.002. It's 0.0002. Oh, there's another 0 there, guys.
There is?
Yeah. Because
0,
it's,
0, 0, 2.
yeah, 0002. Yes, there we go. All right. Now, on 13, 14, 15, and 16, they want you to write it with a negative exponent. So we're going to undo it. So this is, for instance, 1 over 12 to the third. This is Daisy. She's sitting in Mr. Mack's class. Is she happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, she's in 8th grade, so she's on track to graduate. She's pretty stoked, right? Right?
Yes.
Right, so she's happy. How could I make her unhappy?
Move her up.
I could move her upstairs. Now, here's a question. Here's a question, Cameron.
It was distracting.
Do I need to write over 1?
No.
Huh? No, I don't. I mean, you'd never tell me your age is 13 over 1, so I'm done. Boom.
Boom.
Cool. Over here. Well, there's no negative exponents here. Why are they doing this? Why does 14 not have any negative exponents? It's just 1 over 81. This is weird.
You literally just switch.
There's always a 1.
But yeah, we literally just switch it and make the exponent happy. That's literally it. But what's important about 81? 81 should be like triggering something in your brain. What's 81?
It's 2 9s.
It's 2 9s.
Oh, I get-
No,
I
yes, it is 2 9s. This is the same thing as 1 over 9 squared. Because 81 is 9 squared. 81 is known as a perfect square because it's an integer, like 9, squared. Yes. How do I make this unhappy?
You move it up.
Yep, which is going to be 9 to the,
Negative 2.
yeah, negative second. And we're done. Can you guys do both 15 and 16 for me? You have 30 seconds. Go.
Yes.
All right, so number 15. Can someone please raise their hand and tell me what number 15 is, or I'm going to volunteer you. Lowbury.
10 to the power of t to the power of negative 6.
C to the power of negative 6. Riley. 16.
8 to the power of negative
8 to the negative 8th power. Brilliant. Thank you guys so much. You guys are killing it. Now, 17 is asking us to do something a little bit different because they're giving us positives and negatives. Now, whenever we're simplifying exponents, there are only 2 steps, and it doesn't matter which order you do them in. You're either going to simplify, i.e. combine the 2's and add the exponents, or we're going to make it happy and make the exponents happy, which means the whole switching floors thing. So what do you want to do first? It literally doesn't matter doesn't matter. Which one do you guys want to do first? Do you guys want to add the exponents or make it happy?
Make it happy.
Okay, is that your new trick? All right, is the 2 to the third happy already?
Yeah.
Oh, what about the 2 to the negative 6? Is it happy?
Nice.
So it goes downstairs, and now it's happy. Wait a minute, we have division. How do we simplify division with exponents? Alyssa.
You subtract the
We subtract it. So I'm going to do 3 minus 6. What's 3 minus 6?
Negative 3.
It's negative 3. So I've got 2 to the negative 3rd power. Now wait a minute. Is that happy?
No.
No, so what does that turn into? Yeah, it turns into a fraction. Can someone tell me what that fraction is?
1 over 2 to the 3rd.
Yep.
Let's go.
But what if you guys hadn't said make happy first? What if you guys had simplified it first? We're going to solve this 2 different ways. You're going to see which one's easier. So if we just simplify it first, what's negative 6 plus 3, Cameron? Buddy, you have a calculator.
Oh.
Negative 6 plus 3 is... It is negative 3. Hey, little Mac, am I done?
No.
No, so what am I going to do?
2 times 2.
Wait, what? No, I want to make it happy. I want to get rid of the negative.
I don't know.
Buddy, we just did this step. Right here.
I know.
We're doing that. Yeah, so what does this simplify to?
So it's 2 to the 3rd power.
You're almost there. So here's a question. In this case, which one was simpler? The green or the red?
Green.
Green. Yeah, the green took less time. Now, is this always going to be the case?
No.
No. So, eye contact with me. This is a puzzle. Your goal is to only write each letter one time. So if you have a variable x's and y's and z's, you want to write each of those letters one time. Yes?
Why don't we do 2 times 2? Oh,
Times 2?
yeah. Because it's like,
I mean, we could write this as 1/8. I mean, it's the same thing.
so we're just like not going to do 2 times 2, and we're just going to do exponents.
Yes. Okay, so number 18 is strikingly similar. I want you guys to work on number 18. You can talk to someone if you would like. 1, 2, 3, go. And let's look at this. So, what do you guys want to do first? Do you want to make that -5 happy, or do you want to just add them?
Add them.
All right, Alyssa, 7 plus -5 is what? It is 2. So my answer is s squared. Are there any negative exponents? So I'm done.
Seriously?
Yeah, we're done. It's called overthinking.
I made it harder.
Yeah, you did. Now, Alyssa's complaining that she made it harder than she needed to. And if I had to guess, she realized that s to the 7th was happy, but s to the -5th wasn't, so she put it downstairs, and then she subtracted them. Am I right?
Yes.
But regardless, it doesn't matter if she made it harder or not.
Pardon the interruption. Jayla Dunham, please report to the office at this time. Jayla Dunham.
She should still get the same answer, so she's good. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
You guys okay?
Yes.
Yes.
So how would you know when to make that into
Oh, when to put it into a fraction?
yeah.
Well, the 2 is happy. So it's already satisfied where it's at. It doesn't need to switch floors.
So how would you know, like, would there ever be a problem where we have to make it a negative, make it unhappy?
Typically not. Well, we did that back here in the red just to make sure that you understood that you could do and undo it. All right, so let's keep going. I've got m to the 8th over m to the -4th. So here's a question, and it doesn't matter how you answer. Do you want to simplify or make the exponents happy? Raise your hand. Someone pick away. Free. All right, simplify. So I know how to do division. We've done division and a test over division and homework over division and a formative assessment over division. We did that yesterday. All right, so how do I simplify division? Yeah, subtraction. So it's 8 minus -4. Can someone raise your hand and tell me what that is? Daisy? Is it happy, Daisy?
Yes.
So that's my answer. But what if we went Alyssa's route and made life more difficult on ourselves? I hope you don't mind me using you as an example. I love it. All right, what if we didn't simplify first? Well, the m to the 8th is already happy. And now the m to the 4th is happy. And we just add the exponents. And we're done.
That's easy.
The trick is not to overthink. So you guys are going to do number 20 and go ahead and try 21 as well. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so someone tell me what you guys did first for this. You simplified it. Okay, so you did 8 minus 9. What's that?
-1.
Hey, little Mac, is that happy?
No.
Make it happy.
10 over 1. 1 over 10.
1 over 10, and I'm done.
Oh, so you don't have to put a 1. Okay, that makes sense.
1.
I mean, I could write the 1, but I don't need to write the 1. Okay, the 1 looks cooler, we can write the 1. Now, what happens if I didn't know any of these rules? Well, I could do 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I can cross off my duplicates. Oh, look, I have 1/10.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's almost like I didn't need to know any of the rules to get this answer.
Oh. Imagine.
Cool. Caden,
Yeah.
tell me what I'm gonna do.
What?
What am I gonna do to solve this? I'm either gonna simplify it or make it happy. What do you wanna do? Okay, so that means you have to know the rules about multiplication. What do I do with exponents when I'm multiplying?
Yeah, what she said.
Yeah, what she said.
Oh, I didn't
She
know.
said adding. Okay, so -3 plus 3 is what, Riley?
0.
It is 0, but anything to the 0 power is...
1.
And I'm done.
Easy. Simple.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh. So you don't have to put the letter.
Nope, we're done. Boop.
Easy breezy.
All right, 23. Go do it. Okay, so Abby, do you want to simplify this or do you want to make it happy first? Okay. How do I do division with exponents then, Gavin?
How do you do division with exponents?
Yeah,
You
I-
subtract them.
Okay, so am I going to do negative 3 minus 6?
No.
No.
Add them.
I'm going to do, no. I'm going to do 6 minus negative 3.
Ooh,
Because I'm doing the top minus the bottom. Kaylee, what's 6 minus negative 3? Ooh, Bear, you got a calculator. 6 minus negative. It's 9 and I'm done. All right, I want you guys to finish up this page. You should be talking to a partner. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm ready.
Okay. Kaden,
Hey.
you were so excited to get started on this problem during the break. How am I going to start this?
Which one?
24?
Simplifying.
Simplifying. Okay. How do I simplify division?
Subtraction.
Okay. So am I going to do 8 minus negative 4?
No.
No. I'm going to do negative 4 minus 8, right?
Yep.
Cool. What's negative 4 minus 8?
4.
What?
Negative 2.
What? Buddy, you have a calculator on your desk.
Why are you telling me, distracting me? It's 4.
No. Negative 4 minus 8. Use your calculator.
Negative 12.
Why?
I cannot listen to why.
No. Wyatt, what's the final answer?
7.
1 over 6 to the 12.
It is 1 over 6 to the 12. Awesome. 25. Riley, tell me how I'm going to start this. Cool. What am I going to subtract from what? Negative 5 minus negative 3. What is that? 3 to the negative second power. Hey, Gracie. Hey. I got an exponent that's not happy. How can I make it happy?
Oh, 1 over 3 to the second power.
Girl, you are killing it. Kaylee. Oh,
What?
sorry. Okay, so I didn't realize that the end of the bell was coming, so yeah. Hope you guys have a good day.